For questions 17 through 20, determine the tension in the rope at the point indicated with a dot. All objects are at rest. The strings and pulleys are massless and the pulleys are frictionless. All these questions are conceptual questions based on the Newton's laws. Okay. See the first question, question number 17. A mass 5 kilograms is hanging from a stand or roof. Okay. Now he is asking us to find out the tension at this point. From the figure, we can make out that the Fg acts downwards. Okay. And then F tension acts upwards. Okay. So this is the one. This is F tension and then this is Fg. So both are balanced, and the object is in static equilibrium. Okay. When the object is in static equilibrium means all the forces are balanced. Therefore, Ft is equal to Fg. Ft is equal to Fg. And then we know Fg is equal to mg. Wherever we write Fg, that is equal to mg. And then g is equal to 9.8 meters per second square or Newton per kilogram. So here, this is equal to 5 kilograms. Here Fg is equal to 5 kilograms. So 5 into 9.8 gives 49 newtons. Is the answer for the first bit. That means it's question number 17. This is the textbook question. Okay. Now next, coming to the next question, 18th question. This is just equal to this question, 17, question number 17. Both are one and same. I will show you how it is. When we draw the free body diagram, the force F tension is acting upwards and then Fg is acting downwards. Similarly, F tension is acting upwards and then Fg acting downwards. Okay, so see here, this is F tension. This is F tension. Okay, and then here this is Fg. And then here also this is Fg. Okay, what is happening here? Both the blocks are of same mass. Am I right? And then the system is in static equilibrium. Therefore, Ft is equal to Fg, no? Whether you take left side or right side, both sides, whatever way you take, you have to consider he is asking this point, whichever may be the point, but at this point, Ft is equal to Fg. So, same answer as the question number 17. 18 also has the same answer. Ft is equal to 49 newtons. Okay. Now coming to the third one. 19, question number 19. Question number 19 is equal to this one. Instead of 5 kg, you are hanging the 10 kg block like this. Then what happens here? So this is Fg and Ft, and then this is Fg. Okay. So this is Fg, and then this is Ft. So write down. So question number 19. Ft is equal to Fg. So Fg is here 10 kilograms times 9.8 because two masses are hanging now. So this entire thing becomes one single mass of 10 kilograms. So Ft is equal to 98 newtons. Now coming to the question number 20. Again, we have to draw the free body diagram. What is the free body diagram here? This is Fg and then this is Ft. Just a moment, I will cut short this one. Then it happens here, it is Ft and then this is Fg. Am I right? Similarly, here also we will draw the forces. This is Ft and then this is Fg. Remember, both should be of the same length. Both are balancing each other. The object is in static equilibrium. Okay. Now we have to find out When both the forces are balanced, then what happens? You have to have the same answer. Ft is equal to, this is again equivalent to this one. This and this are equivalent. The question number 17 and question number 20 are same. There isn't any change in it. Here you are connecting it to the horizontal, or if you connect it to the vertically also, both are one and same. Okay, or this maybe picture 18 and 20 will make sense for you. Okay. Here Ft is balanced by Fg, Ft is balanced by Fg. So the entire string has the same force of tension. And then Fg is same. Ft is balanced by Fg. Therefore, Ft is equal to Fg. Therefore, it is equal to, what is the value? This is 49 newtons. Am I right? Generally, people will ask this question like this. They keep a spring balance here and then ask you what is the this one reading in the spring balance. The spring balance measures the tension force. The tension force is whatever the weight, one side, that's all. Because the other side is based on the Newton's third law, action-reaction forces. Okay. Both are balanced by each other. Understood. This is the very common question people will ask you. But the student will think that they have to measure 10, they have to give the Ft is equal to 10 kilograms and they will give the answer as 98 newtons. That is wrong. It is just 49 newtons. Okay, the spring balance measures the tension in the string. The tension is same across the string and then the tension is equal to Fg. Only one side. Okay, either you take right side or left side, whatever the side, it is balanced by the other side. This picture is exactly equal to this one or this one. The question number 20 is same as the 18 or 17. Whatever it may be, finally it is Ft is equal to Fg and then the answer is 49 newtons. It measures only the gravitational pull of 5 kg mass. That's it. Nothing beyond that. But it is an important question. Almost all the examiners will test you. If you say that you study Newton's laws, they test this question. They ask you this question and they will test your knowledge in this. Okay, so again, Ft is equal to 49 newtons is the answer for this question. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.